Hi guys, my name is Alex. This is my model Isabel, and today I'm going to show you guys the best way to create a highlighted surface. And to do so, I'm going to use some SilkLift Strong, and then I'm going to finish off Isabel's hair with a new blonde. So let's go, let's get started. I'm going to be using a microweave technique, and what this does is it keeps the finished look quite seamless and quite natural and quite flowy. It's important that we have really clean sections, and the hair that you're not using is secured out of the way, so you've got a very clear map of where you're going. And then with your microweave, it's very fine pickups of hair along each section. Ensure that you separate and you're quite clean. Now with the foil, it's really important that you're quite firm with it. Get it into the regrowth area quite tight, nice and close to the roots. Now with the application, when you're picking up your product, be mindful that we don't apply too much to all of the hair straight away. So we're going to do our distribution in the midsection first, getting heavy saturation of the lightener all the way through the hair. When you're happy with that, you're going to work up very delicately with the excess product to get a very soft distribution on the regrowth area. So when you're happy with your application, you bend the foil in half, quite firm again, lift up, and then you will fold where your weave ends and where it begins, moving the excess hair out of the way. Okay guys, so you can see now that I'm applying new blonde to Isabel's hair. Application wise, I'm going to go from the regrowth down to the area that I can see there's a heavy lightness. Now what this will do is it will give me a really soft transition from her natural hair into the highlights, so it will really help me get a seamless result. See you next time for another amazing colour story.